education this day and age to read any good news on the newspaper.
Hey guys, Ryan here with another educational tip of the day. So our last teaching technique that we're going to talk about in this series is called game-based learning. Now we've all, if you're my age, remember Oregon Trail and all these typing games that you had to learn or you thought was such busy work, but you actually were learning how to incorporate that into your life. Oregon Trail, not so much. But some of the other ones along the way have a great impact on how to keep your kids engaged in their actual learning capabilities. I know nowadays there's a ton of different websites that kids can have access to help facilitate what they're learning, from anywhere from reading to vocabulary, and I know there's a ton of math ones that are available as well. But those interactive websites and game platforms can be very useful, especially with the amount of kids that are glued to Fortnite every night or all day like my kids are. It's just a good way to break it up, but still keep them engaged in something that they really care about with gaming and technology. So I highly encourage you to find websites or game applications that your kids can participate in that help still to facilitate their learning in various subject matters. And that's your educational tip of the day.